Hi friends, I've got a really cool trick for you. So I put up the Chill Mama that I was testing yesterday onto my Facebook and Instagram and blogger accounts, and a lot of you liked the fact that it gave you the ability to set the calendar so you knew when you had to replace a bicarb soda. Here's what I've come up with so that you can pretty much do the same thing for less than 20 cents. I've got 2 white cups here. You don't have to use white ones, you can use whatever color you like. I've got the inside cup where I've written 1 to 12, which are the months of the year, and then I've got the outside cup where I've cut a little hole so that when you put it inside, you can effectively, and I'm trying to film with one hand here, so I'm sorry, move the inside cup so that the little window shows the month that you need to replace it. So that's how you can do the exact same thing for literally cents on the dollar.